Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Infiniti QX70. It's not quite as intuitive as you might hope. I've just paired my mobile with the system, and although I can take telephone calls and make telephone calls, it wouldn't play any music, it wouldn't show. You see there my phone's connected. So if I go to music, click on the speaker at the bottom there, you see my car there is now connected, and it's only connected after I switched the vehicle off. I paired my mobile first of all, I switched it off, I locked it, I switched the iTunes app off on my phone, knocked it off completely, then I got back in, started the car again, opened the app, and it's come on. So if you have any trouble, make sure you do that. Also, to get it playing from here, I'll click play. I'm going to turn it down, but you see there at the bottom it is showing it's playing. There's a tick next to My Car 1 and it is showing it's playing through there. In order to get, or the way you get it on your system, you've got the disc and auxiliary button here at the bottom, second in from the bottom left. We click that once, that's auxiliary. Click it again, it's showing disc. Click it again, music box. Click it again, Bluetooth audio. And you've now got play on Bluetooth audio, and that's the screen you need. I'm going to turn this up, wait for that volume control to go off again, click play, back over to here, turn this up, and that's it playing. There does seem to be a glitch in the new software for probably for iPhone, and another thing I noticed, when it first started playing, it was all crackly, and I had to knock the app off again and reopen it. But that's happened in several cars, not just the Infiniti. It did it in a Volkswagen the other day, and a Mercedes, and it just seems to be after the latest update. Now we're in November 2022 now, so if you're watching it in the future, that may have been cured. But anyway, that's how you play music. I'll just go through it quickly again. I'll just switch this off. So music app is off. We'll go out of that into something else. So that's in auxiliary. Back to the map. So on your iPhone, click on iTunes, click on a song. Just click on play there. Oh, sorry, it's there. You'll see there, if I click at the bottom, you've got choice of iPhone or My Car. That tick means that any audio playing on your mobile should come through the system here, whether it be Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Prime Music, or iTunes Music. So that's playing now. Back to that, over to the system, disc and auxiliary. Click on disc and auxiliary. It's come up at auxiliary at the first time. Click again, disc. Click again. You just have to scroll through. That's music box, and now it's come on to Bluetooth audio. So if I turn that up, there you go. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.